Hello, my dear student. Today we will study about place value of numbers. The place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position. मीन्स उसके पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम किसी डिजिट के वैल्यू को फाइंड करते हैं. ओके, लेट अस सी an example. $5,346. 5,346. Okay, as we know that we always start the counting of the digit from the right side. हम डिजिट काउंटिंग राइट साइड से करते हैं. So from the right side the first digit is 6. हमारा फर्स्ट डिजिट क्या है? 6 है. Which is at ones place. 6 is at ones place and it can be written as 6 multiplied by 1. 6 1 को 6 multiplied by 1 भी लिख सकते हैं and this is equal to 6. So the place value of the digit 6 in this number is equal to 6. Okay, and the next digit is 4 and 4 is at tens place. So we will write 4 tens and it can be written as, हम इसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 4 multiplied by tens. 1 है तो 1, 10 है तो 10 and this is equal to 40. Means the place value of the digit 4 in this number is 40. Next we have the digit 3. कौन सा डिजिट है मेरे पास? है 3 which is at 100 place and 3 हमारा किस प्लेस पे है? 100 place and it can be written as 3 multiplied by 100. 3 multiplied by 100 and this is equal to 300. So the place value of the digit 3 in this number is 300. Now we have the digit 5 and 5 is at 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we write 5,000 and it can be written as 5 multiplied by 1000. This is equal to 5,000. So the place value of the digit 6 is 6. The place value of the digit 4 in this number is 40. The place value of the digit 3 is 300 and the place value of the digit 5 is 5000. Okay, let us see another example. What is the number? 6526. 6526. Here from the right side the first digit is 6 which is at ones place. So we will write 6 ones. 6 ones and it can be written as 6 multiplied by 1. This is equal to 6. Next we have the digit is 2 and 2 is at tens place, ones tens. So we will write 2 tens. It can be written as 2 multiplied by 10. इसे हम 2 multiplied by 10 भी लिख सकते हैं and this is equal to 20. So the place value of the digit 2 in this number is 20. Next we have the digit is 5 and 5 is at hundred place, ones, tens, hundred. So we will write 5 hundreds and it can be written as 5 multiplied by 100 and this is equal to 500. Means the place value of the digit 5 in this number is 500. Next we have the digit 6 which is at thousand place, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we will write 6 thousands. It can be written as 6 multiplied by 1000. Thousands, thousand multiply, हंड्रेड प्लेस पे है तो हंड्रेड से मल्टीप्लाई, टेंस पर है तो टेन से मल्टीप्लाई एंड वंस पर है तो वन से मल्टीप्लाई. तो 6 multiplied by 1000 equal to 6000. Now we can see in this number the digit 6 is at two different places. Okay, when it is at ones place, its place value is 6 and when it is thousand place और जब ये thousand place है its place value 6000. तो इसका place value क्या है 6000. Okay, so we measure here the digit is same but the value of the digit depends upon its position. Means place value जो है इसके position पर depend करता है. Okay, now we will find the place value of particular digit in a number. Means हम किसी particular digit का ही place value find करेंगे. Let us see an example. Here we will find the place value of only underlined digit. Means हमारा जो digit underline है हम केवल उसी का place value find करेंगे. Okay, let us see. Here the underlined digit that is 6 is at hundreds place, ones, tens, hundred. So we will write 6 hundreds and it can be written as 6 multiplied by 100 and this is equal to 600. So the place value of the underlined digit that is 6 is equal to 600. तो जो digit underline उसका place value क्या आएगा 600. Okay, let us see another example. Here the underlined digit is 3 and 3 is at 1000 place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we will write 3000 and it can be written as, इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1000. हम उसके प्लेस से उसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3000. Okay, so the place value of the underlined digit, that is 3, is equal to 3000. Let us see another example. Here the underlined digit is 4. Underlined digit is 4. Now we will find the place value of the digit 4. हम केवल 4 का ही place value find करेंगे. Okay. Here 4 is at tens place. Ones, tens. 4 is at tens place. So we will write 4 tens. And this is equal to, this it can be written as 4 multiplied by 10 and this is equal to 40. Means the place value of the underlined digit, that is 4, is equal to 40. Okay, this is done.